From the Pasadena Media Center, this is News Brief for Friday, January 14th, 2022. As of January 11th, Pasadena has reported 20,652 COVID-19 cases and 377 COVID-related deaths. The number of people in LA County hospitalized for COVID-19 treatment rose to more than 4,000 on January 13th, the highest level since early February 2021. County Public Health Director Dr. Barbara Ferrer said the rise in COVID patients has brought the county's overall hospital patient population to levels similar to last winter's COVID surge. According to Ferrer, the daily overall patient census for both COVID and non-COVID patients is about 15,000 in the county, approaching last winter's peak of 16,500. COVID patients now make up 25% of all intensive care patients throughout LA County. Last winter, COVID patients made up nearly 70% of ICU patients. Pasadena has announced the city's Department of Housing requested an exemption from the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development to postpone Pasadena's annual homeless count. As mandated by HUD, the homeless count collects data from people experiencing homelessness in unsheltered and sheltered locations. The count is done during the last 10 days in January. The Department of Housing decided to postpone after consultation with the Public Health Department and local homeless service providers. The decision was based on concerns stemming from the current surge's impact on volunteer availability. Heightened safety measures will be employed when the count takes place on February 22nd from 8 to 10 p.m. and February 23rd from 6 to 8 a.m. All volunteers will be provided with N95 masks and will be required to take a rapid antigen test within 24 hours of the count. Any volunteer who has begun a period of quarantine or isolation within 10 days prior to the count will not be permitted to participate. The 2022 Pasadena Black History Parade and Festival has been canceled due to COVID-19 concerns. Usually held on the third Saturday of February, the parade and festival have now been canceled for the second year in a row. While discussing the cancellation, Council Member John Kennedy said, "The Black History Parade is super important as we keep alive the importance of a people at the heart of the founding and growth of a complex city named Pasadena. So it is with some sorrow that the parade was canceled." Fortunately, the Black History Planning Committee and the City of Pasadena will host a variety of free, family-friendly events this year in honor of Black History Month. The Pasadena Public Library is also celebrating Black History Month with a variety of free programs and activities for all ages that honor the cultures and contributions of African Americans. For more information on these and other upcoming events, visit cityofpasadena.net or call 626-744-7311. For Pasadena Media, I'm Joe Carbonetta.